What's up, Peak Timers? I picked up this Hot Wheels 50 pack from Amazon. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. And we'll start it off up top right here. Let's go ahead and see. And there is our first car. What a good one. It's the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and that's followed up by the BMW Z4M Motorsports. Some good ones. And up top also we have another Audi. It's the Audi RS5 Coupe, followed by the 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Finding out what other two cars are up here, we've got the 2010 Toyota Tundra and the La Fasta. Then we've got a custom Cadillac Fleetwood, followed by three other cars up top right here. We've got custom auto, the 57 Chevy, as well as Mad Props. All right, some good ones. And then we have this little one that fell right here. It's the Porsche 911 Gt3 Rs. Let's find out what these two are right here. We've got the 86 Monte Carlo SS and the 69 Dodge Charger 500. What are these two right here? We've got the Bone Shaker, and this is the mainline variation of the Hot Wheels ID1, and we've got Erkenstein Rod. Ooh, we've got three good ones right here. We've got the Croc Rod, we've got the 1998 Honda Prelude, and the 20 Jeep Gladiator. And these two right here are Manga Tuner and the custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR. We've also got the Electro Silhouette, as well as the Range Rover Velar in red, and the Formula E Gen 2 car. We've got Beat All and the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. We've got the red 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, Grand Cross, and the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. We've got Night Dragon, Velosa Racer, Pixel Shaker, Too Tough, 68 Shelby GT500, and the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Datsun 620 Pickup, 57 Plymouth Fury, and the Toyota 2000 GT. Ooh, I see a Lamborghini. We've got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and we've got the Batcopter and the 71 Dodge Charger. Another Lamborghini, it's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, followed by Big Bel Air. 69 Camaro Convertible, and the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo Police Edition. Velocita, 1990 Acura NSX, and the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Our final three cars, Circle Tracker, 49 Ford F1, and Roger Dodger 2.0. I've picked out my 10 favorite cars from this case. Let's go ahead and see what they are. The Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo Police Edition. I really like this one in the white with the black trim on the bottom. Looks fantastic. Next, I like the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is the new light blue color. I like it with that orange, and these wheels look really good on it. And after that, we have the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. This kind of dark green color looks almost black, but it's a really cool shade, and I love the big spoiler on it. After that, we have the Porsche 911 Gt3 RS, the Tanner Fox Edition. Love the paint job and graphics on this one. Really neat. And then after that, we have the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. The design on the front of this car is fantastic. They did an excellent job, and I really like the back tamper work, the gray wheels, and white looks really good on Audis. And then we have the Range Rover Velar in red, and this casting when it originally came out was one of my favorite new castings, and now that they've recolored it in red as well as black, they look really good. You have to get your hands on this one. Then a classic, it's the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. This is kind of a new redesign, retool of this car, but I think that they've made the fender flares a little bit bigger and it just looks a lot more muscly. I really like this one. Then we have the 1998 Honda Prelude, this one in silver with those chrome wheels. It just suits the car, and they've just done a great design with the headlights that actually are plastic part of the body. They're not just stamped on there, and then we've got good design on the back of it. Then we have the Jeep Gladiator 2020 edition. This one in red, and this one has like dirt bikes in the back of it. It's just such a cool looking truck, and it's all raised up. I can't wait to see some new recolors of this one. And last but not least, it's the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. This one in white with a red base, blacked out wheels. It just looks so cool. You guys know how much I love exotic cars. If you want to get your own Hot Wheels 50 pack with a chance to get some of these cool cars included, check out the first link in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.